and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Annie, here to make your hair your favorite accessory, and today I'm going to show you how we're going to do this winter hair braid. It's really easy. All you do is have a hair tie, 1, 2, and we're just going to flip it through and then braid it. It's going to make sure that you get volume at the top, it stays all day, and it just like looks really cute and like the vibes that you see pretty much on Instagram, Pinterest, and everything. Let's just jump on into the tutorial. Start with, I have 3 hair ties. These are from Soul Society. They're just like a little bit cuter. You could use Clear elastics if you want, but I'm gonna use these. What you're gonna do for the first section is see how you want your hair to lay and make sure that when you tie it, it is about right at the top of your ears, okay? And I just kind of pull it because I want it to look a little bit more like loose and undone. And then we're going to flip it through like a topsy tail. Okay, so this is going to make sure that it is secure throughout the whole day and gives us volume on the top. And then if you wanted to, you could do a second one right there and flip it through, but I'm just gonna do the 2 and then we're just gonna do a normal braid, okay? And then you can just kind of pull it to make it look how you want it in the front. And there you go.